Hi, I'm Tony Stein with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. We're doing a lot of maintenance this year, and one of the things we did was actually take down our hillside sign and our trees that are above the door in the barn here. We're going to put those back up today, and we've repainted them, cleaned them up, and we're gonna show you how we do this. It's probably not the easiest, safest way, but you know what? We've been doing it for several years, several times I can remember throughout my lifetime doing this, and it's worked. So yeah, here we go. just like that, job's done. New, freshly painted signs. Be good for another, hopefully we get 5 years out of it. And yeah, so that's it. You saw the rope broke on one side. That happens. Using some pretty old ropes. And then I just carried it up. So yeah, all right. New signs, getting ready for the season. Thanks for watching.